Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are delving into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 25th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.39. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -16.64% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -25.22% to -6.98%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -18.16%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -84.71% and +107.15% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $2.63 and $35.67. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group features the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock downgraded to sell candidate. The stock price for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation declined by 3.64% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of August, 2025. The price dropped from $17.87 to $17.22. During that trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.08%, ranging from a low of $17.21 to a high of $17.74. Over the last 2 weeks, the price has shown a slight loss of 0.12%. It's important to note that trading volume also decreased, which is often considered a positive indicator since volume should ideally align with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, resulting in a total of 4 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $68,430,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price sits at 68.51%, or $37.46, below the 52-week high, and 78.31%, or $62.16, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media is intensifying its focus on cryptocurrency and content this month. The company has submitted an amended registration statement for a Truth Social Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, indicating that the product will be managed by Crypto.com and aims for a launch later this year. This shift repositions the firm as a cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund issuer, rather than merely a specialized social media platform. This development comes after quarterly reports revealing over $3 billion in financial assets and a substantial corporate Bitcoin treasury, despite the platform's core revenues being modest and ongoing operating losses. In the short term, anticipate increased volatility and positive movements driven by headlines. Progress on the exchange-traded fund, along with recent launches of streaming and artificial intelligence products, may boost sentiment and trading activity, particularly when the price of Bitcoin rises. However, the stock remains highly responsive to fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market and is subject to risks associated with legal challenges or monetization hurdles. The recent court defeat for the CEO serves as a reminder of these litigation risks. Looking ahead, A successful launch of the exchange-traded fund, effective token and rewards utilization, along with partnerships in streaming, could generate new revenue streams and enhance the company's value. Nevertheless, weak fundamentals, high valuation, and concentrated exposure to cryptocurrency imply that the potential for growth hinges on execution and the price of Bitcoin. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. There are mixed signals regarding the stock today. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at levels of $17.69 and $18.07. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 6, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 5.97%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 136 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 131 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 530 cents between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 3.08%. In the past week, the stock demonstrated daily average volatility of 3.96%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group in the event of an upward trend. The first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $17.13. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of August, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider purchase of 11,552 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the same day, Robert Lighthizer also conducted an insider purchase of 11,552 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the 22nd of August, 2025, Kyle W. Green conducted an insider purchase of 11,552 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the same day, Donald J. Trump Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 11,552 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the 6th of August, 2025, Scott Glame conducted an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. Based on the 81 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 19.699. Overall, insiders purchased 226,999,515 shares and sold 116,045,810 shares in the last 81 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation presents several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of August, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by 170 cents, starting at a price of $17.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.